What is up, YouTube? Alex Xavier here, and I know it's been a long time since I've done an unboxing video, but today we got two items, and this one is gonna be shocking. Watch until the end. So, without further, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but I've been kind of depressed. Just wanted to be alone at some time, but it's whatever. Today's 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, all of you. Well, let me know in the comments what your guys' plans are for 4th of July. I'm curious to know. Oh, I don't know if I showed that, but alright. Let's open it up. And I believe I know what this is. Here it is. iHome IM70 speaker. Let's see if it powers on. Or maybe it's dead. Who knows? The seller didn't mention anything about it, but whatever. Looks pretty nice and everything. I'm sorry for the terrible camera quality. Oh, there we go. You guys can see that little blue light right there. I saw a blue light for a sec. There it is. Works perfectly. Nothing wrong with it at all. And let's see if I can go get a little audio jacks for it. I'll be right back. Alright, oops, sorry about that. Let's go ahead and power it on. I don't know which one to... Let's put it in the middle. Let's plug it into my phone. Alright, there we go. Let's play a song in the video, but I'm not using my main phone. And plus, I don't know, but I didn't want to use my phone because audio quality is terrible, but let's go ahead and try Still DRE. Me and my homeboy, love this song.
Until now, game changer. They have a wire trimming head that's universal. It's going to fit any weed eater. They have different size leaves.
Sounds pretty good, not gonna lie. Hold up. See that, guys? See that Lincoln Navigator? My great uncle used to own that. Overall, I like that song. Good speaker overall. Kind of recommend it. Let's power it off. Glad to have this back in the collection. The only speaker I lost is my UFC. But yeah. But it's whatever. Let's get to the other unboxing, which I think y'all are gonna love. Ooh, this is pretty heavy. Oh boy. This is a big bag right here. First off, we got this ZTE. Looks heavenly damaged right here. I don't think this will work, but who knows. Z828 right here. Here's another one. Another ZTE, which I don't know. Alright, let's see if any of it good. Z833. It's pretty good, but looks like it ain't cracked at all, but this one definitely will have a broken screen. Here's one of these. Here's another phone that I think is pretty cool. I've seen it on more Vortex video. The Coolpad Rogue 3320A. It's like one of the Walmart bargain phones. Remember seeing one of these. I know it's a roof. This one's the Coolpad Catalyst. I've seen most of these on eBay. Looks pretty cracked. Looks like the buttons don't work, but whatever. Next up, Cloud Mobile Stratus C3. Let's see if I'm right. I've been wanting to get one of these on eBay, but yeah. Storm C3. Yep. No, I was kind of wrong, but it's the Storm C3. Little screws right here. I'll use my little screwdriver to put it back in. Alcatel, I believe this is the Raven. I've seen these on eBay too. I've been wanting to get one, but hopefully this works. But most of these are broken, to be honest. But we'll see if any of them work. This one right here, gee, it's got a lot of stickers. Sacramento trees, the most popular city in California where I live. By the way, I don't live in Sacramento. I live in another city in California, but I'm not telling you. The Sacramento is it's the capital city of California, not the most popular. Hold up. Camera's pretty bad on this one. J8, another Mexican phone. I know some Mexicans use these phones. I've seen Steven's phones did a startup on that one. Here's another one. Life Wireless Fusion, the Life Wireless X422 Fusion. Glad to have another one of these, X422A. Yeah, this one's the Life Wireless Fusion. Model number's X422A. Glad to have another Life Wireless phone. And this is my second ever Huawei phone. I don't know what this is. This is a Huawei something. Let's take off the back on it. And yes, on my cars channel, I'll try to post the Tacoma and the Focus, the other Tacoma and the Tundra video later. Huawei I don't know. Let's zoom in. Camera's pretty bad on this one, but come on, focus. M375, whatever. I'll tell you, it's the M375. I mean, M735, I meant to say. This one's the M735. Looks pretty good. Oh, I didn't even know you could slide it to take it off. Huh. Whatever, but here are the phones side by side. Let's put them in order. Leave that knife right there. Here's them in order. Jeez. This is like the biggest lot I've ever gotten before, but happy 4th of July to everyone, to those in America, and to those Canadian people, happy Canadian late day, I don't know, but yep, this one definitely will have a broken screen. This one, I'm highly doubting this one works. I hope this one works. This one's probably pretty cool. Phone lock came pretty fast, but it's kind of here, the Catalyst, the Storm 3, the Raven, J8, Fusion, and I don't know. The only ones I don't know is this one, and this one. Only 3 phones I don't know, but yeah, that was a good unboxing. I don't know. I'll update you when these phones work, but happy 4th of July to everyone. But let's go ahead and add this to the speaker collection. Welcome to the family. You're part of the speaker family. This is where I store all my speakers. And I got most of them right here as well. And yeah, I'll update you when these phones work perfectly, but that's it for today. I have to clean this mess up right here. I know, it was a pretty big unboxing, but I gotta wipe these ones out. This one will definitely have a broken screen. Most of the rest of the others might work, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the update.